Hello, this is Mark. Welcome to Principles of Management. Glad to have you in the class this semester, and just wanted to spend a few minutes going over the Brightspace site as well as the syllabus. What you see before you is the home page of the course. Got the calendar here with a number of things showing up as due dates that kind of keep you on tabs. But really the main place you need to go to is content. So I'm going to click on that link and pull this up. And the first item you see here is at the top is syllabus. You click on that and the syllabus for the course shows up. And we'll go over that in just a second. I wanted to point out a few more things that you should be interested in, hopefully. Things are organized by week. Week 1, for example, click here. Got a syllabus confirmation due, just proving that you read the syllabus. Read it. If you got any questions, post them. If not, type up I have read the syllabus and have no questions. That will be due February 8th, and this is the first week. And then a little intro about yourself is also due. Got a review of Chapter 1 video right here. And got a quiz that will be due for Chapter 1 also. You click on this link and just follow the instructions here. Quick setup, and you'll be able to go from there on the quiz. Just click and follow the instructions. Okay, so every week has different assignments set up under it. Starting week 2, we will have discussions. And here it'll have the discussion instructions you'll have to read, for example, out of the book about Trader Joe's in the back section of the textbook. As well, just read the instructions, then follow the discussion, and then you have to respond to 2 other students. So anyway, that is something else you'll have to do. Another item in addition to quizzes are article reviews. And these will be due each week also. And what I want you to do here is research an article relating to what we're covering that week. So for week 2, something out of the controlling or planning chapters from chapters 3 to 6. Just pick a topic out there that's of interest to you, or just something that you want to do a presentation on. So what you'll do is you'll read that article and then put together a PowerPoint and upload it. Okay, now this is a very short, only probably a 5-slide PowerPoint presentation, so not very long, and you'll need to use bullet points in it. But I put on here what I want on each slide. First slide, second, third, summary, fourth, what concept we were covering, and then 5 is basically a reflection slide. So those are the main things. Then this second week we've got 2 quizzes available also. And I've got it set to where you should be able to work ahead if you want. So I've got everything posted here again. So what I'm going to do now is go back to the syllabus here and go through it briefly. Again, my name is Mark Sutton. I am not on campus, so I don't have a campus phone. But if you need to get in touch with me to speak to me, get with me, and we'll schedule a time that we can maybe meet via Skype. Otherwise, email should handle most things, hopefully. This course, again, is Fundamentals of Management. 4 pillars of management is what we're going to be focusing on: planning, controlling, organizing, and leading. So that's going to be the focus of the course. Some of the objectives we're going to be trying to accomplish in looking at these different topics, everything from social responsibility to teamwork to planning. Course textbook is a Schimmerhorn book, 5th edition. Here's the ISBN information for it. Regarding your discussions, again, there's 2 parts to it. You got your initial response to the discussion question, and then you will also be required to respond to 2 other student responses. So anyway, there will be two parts. First, a response to the initial discussion, and follow that with a comments on other students. And we got the weekly quizzes that I kind of showed you. The article reviews, I've kind of told you how that works, what goes on the different slides. As far as your grading goes, kind of using a weighted average scale. Your discussions will be 30%, quizzes 40, and the article reviews 30. I use a standard campus plus-minus scale. And then lastly, we've got a course schedule. Well, not lastly, but next topic. This should mirror the Brightspace week 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be exactly like that, but if you want to look ahead as to what we're doing, this can give you a guide as to where we are. I don't mind if you work ahead. That's perfectly fine. If you got the time to go ahead and work ahead, that is good. Other than that, just got the basic syllabus info that is required of all courses. Again, my name is Mark Sutton. Look forward to having you this semester, and feel free to email me if you got questions. And if you have just questions about any of the assignments and stuff that aren't just individual to you, post a discussion on it, because others could have the same question, and I can respond to you, and others will benefit also. So that's going to do it for today. Look forward to the semester. Have a good day. Bye.